It's ripping time, bitches.
That's a nice hurt.
Oh, yeah. All right, let's get a little hyped here. Let's get a little hyped here. All right, good luck, everybody. Box number 1. Let's go. Come on. Dart, Shador, Scatabo, Tet. Let's see the homies. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, everyone. RJ Harvey, Ty Felton. There's Walter Nolan on the disco. Brian Mitchell on the disco. Redemption. Colson Loveland, Dylan Gabriel, Kyle Pitts. Caleb Johnson. Caleb Johnson. That's steals, right? Caleb Johnson. On the rookie auto.
Final call. Do you want anything? Sushi roll?
Brian might. I'm good, Josh. I'm good, Josh. Thank you.
I'm fine, Josh. I just couldn't answer.
Yeah. No worries. Do your thing. Enjoy the lunch with AU.
Yeah.
Appreciate you, man. Blue Disco. Genty. Zaire Franklin on the blue to 125. Van Ginkel got a tinkle. Membu. Mason Taylor, there is Tank Bigsby. Elijah Arroyo on the variation for the Chickens. Fannin Riley Leonard, there is Vernon Davis on the disco. 2 9s on my back like Warren Sapp.
Big Lou, man.
What's up, Big Lou? What's up, Lethal? Red. Cam Miller, Kyle McCord. There's Will Campbell for the Pats. To 99. Quinn Ewers on the variation. Will Campbell on the red. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Pink. Go, give me rookie. Give me rookie. Makuba. Jackson. Not a rookie. Marquise Hollywood Brown. To 25. Going to the Chiefs. Emergent Travis Hunter.
Ron, see you, welcome in.
What's up, Ron? Blue. Amos Martinez. Will Howard for the Steelers. There we go, Craigie T. Will Howard for the Steelers. Tesla, there's Brian Burns for the Giants. Malik the Freak for the Giants on the throwback.
Nothing crazy yet, Sodes.
Just the Brian Burns so far. We're on the first box. We still got 7 left to go. But nothing crazy yet. Nothing crazy yet. Zabel, ETN. There is Olave on the red to 99 for the Saints. Caleb Johnson. And Dabase. All right, next box. Next box. We need the Shadur, baby. We need the Shadur auto.
And the auto.
Manangai, Savion, Malik the Freak. There's Devin Neal on the rookie auto. Going to the Saints. Devin Neal on the rookie auto disco for the Saints. Colton Miller. We have blue. James Pierce. There's DJ Moore on the blue to 125. Emergent of Shadur for the Browns. We need the true. We need the true, baby. AR, Tez Johnson on the variation.
Give me 1 sec, Fred Dog. Cardinals, Jetties, Ravens, Vikes. Fred Dog.
Devon Velvalet. Higgins, Thomas, there's Kyle Williams on the disco. Abdul Carter on the throwback disco for the Giants. Come on, man. Come on, man. Lambert Smith, Quinn Ewers. There's Dante Thornton Jr. for the Raiders to 125. Omarion Hampton variation. Purple. Quiddy Pay for the Colts to 75. Joe B. Ravel Carter. There's TJ Who's Your Mama for the Bengals to 99. TJ Who's Your Mama on the red. Josh Simmons. Josh Simmons back-to-back on the rookie purple to 75. Derwin James. Larry Fitz. All right, last pack of box 2. There's Cam Ward, Ollie Gordon, Ron Jaworski to 125 for the Eagles. Calvin Johnson. All right, box 3.
Girl down, welcome in.
You got to hit them in the case hit edition divisions. 85 per division. 1 box breaks. Will Campbell, Dante Thornton. There's Isaac Tesla. Nice color match for the Lions to 125. Riley Leonard on the variation. Nice Tesla. Any Panthers on... not so far. Panthers are big. I mean, you have Rookie of the Year, Ted McMillan. Jarquez Hunter, Kyle Williams. There's Derwin James. Hell yeah. There's Tet, Jihad, J.J. McCarthy, Jack Besh for the Raiders. Jack Besh for the Raiders. Smith, Marshall, Falk for the Colts to 125. There's Shuck on the Prismatic Disco. No, I mean, I pulled a lot of Tet. Samson. There is Fairbairn, Jack Besh. Quinn, Jordan James, A.D. Mitchell. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We have green to 10. Come on. Mertz. Barron. Not a rookie. TJ. Who's yo mama? 5 of 10 going to the Bengalitos. Chuba Hubbard. TJ Huzmanzada.
Night Corky, welcome in. Rob Stella, welcome in.
There's Tim Tebow for the Broncos to 99. Another green. Come on, give me a rookie this time. Maxwell Harrison for the Bills, green to 10. Maxwell Harrison for the Bills, green to 10. CJ2K on the disco.
FX Worth, welcome in. Zach Johnson, welcome in.
Tez Johnson, TJ Sanders, Deshaun Jackson for the Eagles to 125. Travion. All right, box 4. Box 4.
Guys, get your teams up for break number 4.
There you go, Hilltop. Besh Williams. There's Cam Ward on the true. Disco Tyrann Mathieu. Tez Black Finite. Low racks, low couple racks. There's Deshaun Van Ginkel. McCord, there's Ivan Pace on the red. Shamar Stewart on the rookie auto for the Bengals.
Maz, welcome in, Maz.
Drake May, Dylan Gabriel on the variation. Not what you want to see for the Browns there. Martinez. There's Hunter Henry, Patty Mahomes. Scat, Elik Ayamanor, Cortland Sutton for the Broncos. Hunter on the emergent. There's Jordan Addison for the Vikings to 10. 7 out of 10, Jordan Addison for the Vikings. That covered the suppy right there.
Siobhan, give some time. He's very backed up, but he is going to get back to you.
Siobhan, I feel you. I don't know why he hasn't answered you back yet. Puka Nakua. Look at that flow. Look at that hair. Look at that hair. Number 99. Bucky. Purple. Chris Jones. The 75 for the Chiefs.
Billy Fan, welcome in.
Archie Manning for the Titans to 99. Archie Manning for the Titans. All right, that's halfway. Come on, baby. Come on! We need a bang of a sodium. We need that closeout magic here. We need that closeout magic here, baby. Gotta try and hit him. Gotta try and hit him. McCord, Amos Savion on the disco. Christian Gonzalez. Tesla. Jalen Lane on the rookie auto for the Commanders. Jalen Lane.
Colin, we got three.
No, we still got 3 more left, Colin. 3 more left. Damian Martinez, Dave Craig to 125. Hurts. Zabel Montgomery. There's Tyler Shuck on the variation going to the Saints. Colton Mealy. What's up, Z-Boy? ETN, Harvey. There's Breece Hall. Milrow, Gunnar Helm. There's Cam Miller for the Raiders. Not who you want to see. Joey B on the throwback. Perp skirt. Hunter Henry for the Pats to 75. Barry Sanders. Collins, Jack Besh. There's A.J. Barner, Super Bowl champion to 99 on the red. Going to the Chickens. Michael Williams. There's Tyler Warren going to the Colts. The 75 going to Craigie T. Devin Hester. Come on, give me dart, give me dart, give me dart or give me death. Give me dart or give me death. Oh, Del Beckham Jr., motherfucker. Jack Besh. Down below. All right. Box number 5. There's 6. Box 6, 7, 8. Box number 6. You can smell it in the air. Garrett Wilson for the Jetties to 125. Reed. Shadur Stewart. James Pierce. There's Jamar Chase. Harrison, Schrodinger, Hester. There's a dart on the prismatic disco. What up, Ogami? What up, Irwin? Fannin, Leonard. There's Luther Burden. Nice hit. To 25 for the Bears. Nice hit for the Bears. Luther B. There we go. Sodium, finally. Is there an auto behind it? No. Shador on the blue disco.
Alice Walker, welcome in.
Now let's get one more. Let's get a dart this time. Shador. Matty Golden on the throwback. Gabriel Michael Wilson to 75. Still looking for an auto in this box. Still looking for our auto in this box. What the hell is it? Mason Taylor, Jalen Noel, Alec Pierce for the Colts. 125. What's up, man? Jalen Royals, Marshall Falk. Bing bong. There we go, Colton Miller. It's a fan. Shuck on the disco auto. La Porta, Jalen Noel. Iziraku, Harris, DJ Moore, Abdul Carter. All right, 2 more boxes, guys. Hell yeah, James. 100%, dude. Thing's sick. 100%. Abdul Carter. Caleb. Hell yeah, James. Abdul Carter, Cam Ward, Ashton Genty for the Raiders to 99. There we go. Travion. Ashton Genty. Hell yeah, dude. 100%. Redemption. Chuba Hubbard. Josh Simmons on the rookie auto. Is that Bills? Josh Simmons on the rookie auto. Bills? Maybe? Where's Simmons? Where's Simmons at? Craigslist, what up? Soroki, what's up, man? Chiefs. I don't know who the fuck that guy is. Caleb Johnson. There's Derek Brown for the Panties. For the Panties to 125. Omarion. Dart, Watkins, Chris Chambers, Savion on the variation. Banks, Tootin and Bootin, Denzel Ward. Wanker bet. Higgins. Ollie Gordon. There's Siobhan Ravel for that Cowboys to 75. Prizm break Brock Bowers. Case it edition repacks. Pick your division. Thomas, Manungai, Mason Taylor for the Jets. I'm a buyer. To 125. Pink. What's offer? I have no idea off the top of my head. Sure, it's not crazy much, but I'll take a look into it, Fred, though. Ty Felton to 25. Tet McMillan on the throwback. They actually center them decently in the no huddle, but they don't center it for shit in the hobby. All right, one more box after this pack, guys. Pierce, Ferguson, there's Dracula. Drake May, color match, $2.99, going to the Pats. Marvin Harrison on the fractal. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the break room. Alrighty, final one. Am I the only one who thought this year's Super Bowl was just like hella boring? Didn't feel like watching a Super Bowl at all?
Broadway, welcome in, Broadway.
I felt like I was watching a regular season game. James Ravel, Kelvin Banks, Adrian Peterson. TJ Tumaluma for the Colts to 99, Craigie T. Jalen Royals variation for the Chiefs. It's very tough. It's very tough. It's a lot tougher. Tet McMillan. There's Sammy D to 25. There we go. There we go. Nice hit for the chickens. Nice hit for the chickens. Brocculus. This is the only time. This is my first time ever ripping H2 or no huddle, whatever it is. This is my first time ever ripping it. So I'm still like on the first case technically I've ever ripped. Steven Jackson. I think I've seen maybe watching it, maybe one Prismania pulled. Caleb Johnson again. Caleb Johnson again. Just do me a favor, Brian. Take a Sharpie. Here. Right. Steelers and Steelers. And right. Chiefs. Campbell. Smith. Tootin and Bootin for the Jags. Tootin and Bootin to 125. Not who we wanted to see there. B-Rads, what up? Christian Gonzalez for the Pats. 75. Drake May. Nice pack for the Pats. Pats doing well this break. Quinn. Sampson. There's CeeDee Lamb. CeeDee's nuts to 99. Abdul Carter. Rockety Smell to 125 going to the Panthers. Colston Loveland. All right, final two. Good luck. Uh, 20 total in a case. I mean, you get more hits coming out of the. It's an 8-boxer as opposed to the hobby, which is when we run into S4 boxers. Just depends. Some boxes I've liked a lot better H2. Some boxes I liked a lot better as hobby. Omari and Hampton. A lot more different color coming out of hobby. $20 per case in no huddle. There's LeGarrette Blount. And the base to end it out. Solid break. Solid break. So we do have the next one live. Charlton's in for a couple teams. 2 teams already down. I got 7 left on case hit, guys. Guys, Case Hit Edition's live. Case Hit Edition's live, y'all. Viewers, Lane, Tesla, Brown, Campbell, Stewart, Besh, Thornton, Neal, Who's Yo Mama to 10, Josh Simons, Dart, OBJ, Chris Jones, Puka, Caleb Johnson, Simmons, Tet, Mason Taylor, Luther Burden, Tyler Warren, Addison, Drake May, Harrison to 10, Ty Felton to 25, Will Howard, Genty, Shuck, Darnold, and Sanders. Hold on 1 second. Who did Sodium have there? Can you just pull Sodium since and just put them on the side from this file, from these teams?